Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Excel with Amit. In this video we're gonna learn about XLOOKUP function. So here is the data for sales. We have different customers here: category, subcategory, sales amount, quantity, discount and profit. To use XLOOKUP, we would be using this table. So in XLOOKUP, the advantage of using XLOOKUP is basically in any Excel sheet, the XLOOKUP can help you to fetch data in both the sides, be it left side or right side. The biggest disadvantages of using VLOOKUP is that it only look up values from left to right. So that is why Excel has provided this new formula called XLOOKUP, where we can fetch data from both sides, be it left or right. So let's see how do we use it. So to start working on any formulas, you have to use equal sign and then start with the formula name XLOOKUP. Excel has very good capabilities where as soon as you update the formula name, it automatically pops up in the drop down. So you have to hit tab, and these are the details that we would be needing to activate the formula and to use this formula. So for that, let's start. So lookup value for us would be in the A column, which is 731.94, which is one of the customers quantity or the sales amount that is there for the product. Likewise, against this we would be needing customer name and category. So first we will select cell A2, which is our lookup value, press comma, then we would be needing lookup array, from where in Excel this will be taking. So from here we have to go here, and then you have to select the F column. In this table, under F column we have the sales data. We have to select that and then press comma, return array. Against this value, what details would be needed? We only need customer name and category. Since in XLOOKUP we can only see data from left to right, from here to here. In XLOOKUP we can fetch data both ways, be it left or right, like I mentioned earlier, right? So you have to select this. This is our lookup column. We have already selected. Now we need return array. Return array is nothing but which data you want as per the problem statement. So in this data we want customer name and category. So first we have to select this comma 1 comma 0 for the exact match, and for exact match we have to use 0, and then close the bracket, hit enter. Like this you can drag it. So if you see here, you can see for Ajay 731 is the sales amount here. Ajay is here also, 9071.52. So this is how you can fetch data using XLOOKUP from both ways. Similarly for category, once again we can apply the formula equals to XLOOKUP. Lookup array would be column cell A2 comma. Now you have to do lookup array from where this data is coming from this sheet. You have to select this F column, which is a sales column, comma. We have to select the category name now, comma 1. For the exact match we have to put comma 0, close the bracket, furniture. Now you can drag it like this. So you will have the details of all the customer name and category against which sales is given, right? Now we have fetched the data. Now you see on all the active cells, when we are selecting it, be it in the B column, in the C column, you see the formula is already popping up. Now in Excel, what happens is, whenever you are working on a file, make sure if you are sending anything or if you are putting any formulas, once the desired result is achieved, you have to always remove the formulas, so that if somebody is copy pasting from your sheet, or if you are sharing this file to anybody and he tries to make any changes, sometimes what happens in Excel, it will throw error, or maybe it makes the data very you know unorganized and unprepared. So always, once you finish putting the formulas and then everything is done from your end, you have to select and remove it. So how you have to do it? You have to always, you have to select the column. In both B and C there's a formula. What you have to do? You have to do control C, comma, go to paste special, and keep the value as and select the option as values. You see, now the formula is gone. Now this is a proper format. I hope you understood about XLOOKUP, and if you have any questions, reach out to me in the comment section, uh, and let me know if you need any more videos about it or any more further detail on XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is a very dynamic formula, and it's very useful formula on a day-to-day basis, and it's a must-to-know formula for every individual who is learning Excel, and it will help you to get the datas in a very quick way if you know how to put XLOOKUP. And if the data file is thousands of rows, columns, and you need to do any analysis, or you need to do any specific data, then you can use XLOOKUP for getting that data. So thank you so much, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Like and subscribe my channel, and follow for more. Thank you.